A lot of people were talking about Nancy Isime's fascinator, but do you know the name of this fascinator? The actual name of this unique fascinator? Have you seen 10 other ones that are more beautiful and also like this? This is what I came with today to show you other fascinators exactly like this and the actual name of this beautiful fascinator. Stay tuned. My name is Queen the Creative. You're welcome to my YouTube channel. This is where I post beautiful fashion inspirations, easy tutorials, and many more. So if this interests you, just feel free to subscribe to this YouTube channel, like this video, and let's continue. So this fascinator is called In Your Face Fascinator. In Your Face Fascinator. So this is the unique name that differentiates this particular fascinator from other ones. So this fascinator has been in existence for years. It just started trending recently. So this In Your Face fascinator comes in different colors and different designs. You can see from this video that there are various colors of this fascinator, various designs, and it comes so beautiful. So this fascinator actually covers just the eyes. Some people put it a little bit close to their forehead, so it is just like a form of glasses, and it is used mostly for weddings, burial ceremonies, and other events. So this fascinator is actually unique. It is something you wear when you want to stand out. What do you think about this new fashion trend? Is this a yeah for you or a no for you? Let us know in the comment section. Let's talk about this In Your Face fascinator. Is this something you would love to rock, or is this something you would not love to rock? Let's talk about this, and thank you so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this YouTube channel so that you will get to see more of my beautiful videos. Thanks again, and bye for now.